Hey friends! In this video we will show you the protocol and security detail of the President Kim Jong-un. He is the president and the supreme leader of North Korea. In this video you can see the long convoy protecting him from any possible threat. In his convoy, there are not just police officials but you can also see armored military vehicles. Do not you think he looks like the king of the world, in all that protection? Just keep in mind the fact that North Korea is a poor country. It is way far behind from South Korea. And, this guy is enjoying all that luxury and VIP life at the expense of his poor nation. He was just lucky to be born in the ruling family. Otherwise, if he had born to a poor family, you can imagine what could be made up of him. What I found most funny, was the fact that the commandos running along his limo. I am sure, that the vehicle transporting him would bulletproof. Perhaps it is the fear which lives deep inside his heart. After all, he is known to playing video games and killing his opponents. He once got his defense chief killed by anti-aircraft gun. He is also believed to be behind the killing of stepbrother Kim Jong-nam in Malaysia. This poor chap was attacked by nerve agent. So apparently there seemed no need of commandos running along his vehicle. Enjoy the video. And, do comment what do you think of this guy. Does he deserve that kind of protection?